This isn't DoorDash, Uber, Lyft, Instacart, or any of those other apps where you're out there fighting for your life just to barely make minimum wage. Today, I'm showing you 8 legit ways to make up to $60 per hour using platforms that most people don't talk about on here. These gigs are free to sign up, they're in high demand, and they're a lot less competitive than the things that you get recommended by money gurus over on YouTube and TikTok. The best part is you don't have to have any degrees, you barely need any experience. I'll break down the pros, the pay, and how to start each one. And there's one thing that they all have in common, but we'll circle back to that a little bit later. Let's just jump right into it. What's up, moneymakers? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Diamond Chanel, and here we like to talk about all things money. And these moneymakers like to thrive and not just survive. So if that sounds like you might as well hit the subscribe and like button right now. Now, we don't do long intros, so let's just jump into opportunity number 1. With this website, you could be making up to $42 per hour. This is called Lug, and you could become a Lug mover. So this is how it works. You get to create your own schedule and get paid the same day, and you can work whenever you want. If you do not have a truck, that is okay. You can apply as a helper. But if you own any of these types of vehicles or have access to anything like this, then you can make a lot more money. However, again, even if you don't have a truck or any of these required vehicles, then you can still make money with this app. So you get to earn money by doing small deliveries, small moves, donations and junk, or even picking up and delivering items that are bought and sold from Craigslist or even Facebook Marketplace. Here's some of the things that you will need to be qualified. You need to have a smartphone. You have to be at least 18 years or older. You must be able to have good communication skills, and you have to be strong and have the ability to move. Now, if none of that sounds like you, do not worry, I have more for you. So as we were saying before, drivers can earn from $28 to $42 per hour depending on their vehicle, and then helpers make $18 per hour. Now, you can also make money from tips. They say that they have movers that make an additional $1,000 per month from tips alone. Now, some things that you need to take note of is you have to have a valid driver's license, auto insurance, proof of ownership of the vehicle, a car that is 2001 or newer. But if you are just a helper, you don't have to have any of that. You just need to have a valid, unexpired U.S. government issued identification. If this sounds like something you or someone you know would be interested in, please take a moment to either screenshot the screen right now or pause it to see if it is in your area. This next one is really interesting, and if you're a very compassionate person, then you'll probably love it. Here's a really interesting website called Papa. So you can get paid on average $22 per hour for simply being good company and doing small tasks. Let me explain a little bit further. This is going to be an app where you can help people who are a bit older with companionship, meal prepping, running errands, or doing small home tasks like doing laundry. This is how you can get started. You will provide your information, and you also have to have a vehicle that's 2009 or newer. You have to complete some qualification steps such as answering questions and taking safety training and verifying your identity by uploading your license. And you will also have to undergo a background check. Now, once you're approved, you will be able to jump on the app and start making money right away. Papa Pals earn a base rate of $13 to $18 per hour, but there are also bonuses and tips as well. Now, this is important. You don't need any prior healthcare experience. You will not be administering any type of medication or having hands-on contact. So you being a healthcare pro is not necessary. So some things that you will be able to do is run errands, give rides, assist with pets, provide technical support, assisting in the home with laundry, light cleaning, meal prepping, light organization, and providing companionship. Now, here are the requirements for people who are interested. You have to be 21 or older, have access to a smartphone, the ability to communicate fluently in English, be authorized to work in the United States, have a vehicle 2009 or older with an insurance policy in your name, a valid driver's license, and undergo that background check. Most people don't struggle with money because they're lazy. They struggle because they don't have access to real opportunities that actually pay. That's where the Real Money Report comes in. I send out a free weekly email breaking down legit ways to make $100 to $300 per day. And did I mention it's free? I've done it all. Failed side hustles, fake opportunities, and I finally figured out what actually works. Now, I help thousands of people ditch survival mode and build multiple streams of income. There is more money than ever floating around right now. You just need someone to help you spot it. So if you're ready to stop scrolling and start earning, then hit that link in the description box for your first free report. Now let's go on to opportunity number 3.
Up to $70 hourly. This website is called yourmechanic.com. Now this is really cool. So this is pretty much giving people that have car experience the chance to be their own boss without having to work with dealerships. And you're getting paid 2 to 3 times much more than you would if you worked with a dealership and you had managers and all this other crazy stuff that a lot of people don't want to deal with. You are your own boss. Now, of course, this is kind of a specialty one, but we all know someone that is good with cars. And the thing that I really love about this is that these are not complex jobs that you'll be performing. So you're going to do basic repairs such as AC units, brakes, tire rotations, and nothing having to do with engines or transmission. The sign-up process is going to be super simple. So first you're going to submit an online application that should take you less than 10 minutes to fill out. Then you're going to get a phone call. They're going to do a quick interview, onboarding process, nothing extensive, and then you'll be able to start working immediately. Now, what I love about this is they partner with Uber and Lyft. So that means that you will have an abundance of opportunities because, of course, small mechanical issues happen within that industry a lot. Now, if you are interested in this or you know someone interested in this, I need you to pause this video, take the screenshot, because these are the cities that the app Your Mechanic is going to be available in.
Moving on to our next opportunity.
This company is called Dolly. There's 2 ways that you can make money here. You can become a helper or you can become a hand. So we're going to talk about the helpers first, and these are going to be the people with a car. If you don't have a car, just hold on with me, okay? Now, if you are a helper, you can make up to $90 per hour, though the average helper makes $50 per hour. So that's going to be more so of a guarantee that you will make $50 per hour. So this is for people who have either a pickup truck, if you have a car that is able to pull a trailer behind it, if you have a cargo van, or if you have a box truck. Now, if you are a hand, again, stay with me. We're going to come back to you. Here are the requirements for those of you who are interested in being a helper. You must be at least 18 years or older. You have to be in the U.S. with a valid U.S. driver's license. You have to have a smartphone, and you have to be able to pass a background check. Now, those are going to be pretty much the basics. If you want to become a helper, you're going to go ahead and fill out this little application and click on Get Started, and then you're going to download the app. For my people without any of those vehicles, but you still want to participate, you can become what they call a hand, and the hand makes an average of $35 per hour, but you can make up to $60 per hour for the top performers. Now, this is going to be dependent on job availability in your local areas and your productivity. Here are the requirements. They're going to be all the same, except you just need to have a means of transportation. I mean, baby, if you got a scooter, you in business, okay? So you just need to be able to connect with the people who are the helpers and get to them when needed.
If you like that one, then you'll definitely be interested in this one.
This company is called US Pack. If you're looking for something more professional than Uber Eats and DoorDash, if you are someone who keeps a clean vehicle, you will be picking up items such as pharmaceuticals and auto parts. You don't have to have a big vehicle. You can have a regular sedan car for most of these openings. Now, some of them do require you to have like a small SUV, minivan, a large SUV, or even a truck, but most of these you will be able to do with a regular size vehicle. Now, what you're going to do is search for opportunities within your area by putting in your location and looking around to see what is available.
Opportunity number 6.
Our next website is called Thumbtack.
And it's very similar to TaskRabbit, but this is going to be for people who are handy and who know how to do certain DIY projects. And I'll give you some examples of that in just a second. So there are no entry or annual fees. You get to pick your own schedule. There is a competition limit, unlike platforms like TaskRabbit. And you are able to basically build your own business. So some things include exterior painting, where you may get paid somewhere towards $5,000 for that. Long distance moving, where you would get paid somewhere like $6,000 for that, or even extensive things like bathroom remodeling, which people have been getting paid like $10,000 for that type of project. But again, this is something that you set your own pricing with. So if that sounds like you, this is a great opportunity for you to go ahead and sign up and start making some money. Lucky number 7. This website is called Poplin, where people are making up to $6,000 a month for just doing laundry for other people. So this is how it works. You're going to sign up and they're going to have you take a little bit of a test. Now, this test did take like 30 minutes when I tried to do it, so make sure that you have time. But once you go through that, you're going to get approved. And once you get approved, you will be able to see the opportunities that are available. On average, they have people that are making anywhere from $2,500 to $5,800 every single month, simply picking up other people's laundry, taking it to their own home or a laundromat, washing their clothes, and dropping it back off. So here are a few things that you're going to need when you get started. First of all, you do have to be 18 years or older to sign up, and you have to have a way to pick up and deliver those orders, meaning that you have to have some type of transportation. You need to have a smartphone, laundry detergent, clear bags, labels, and a simple bathroom scale to weigh the finished laundry. Now, every order is going to be about $40, so you will always make at least $22 per hour. And now to opportunity number 8. Next, we have a website called Tidy. Now, this is for people who are interested in cleaning or who have their own cleaning business. So you get to earn money for going to other people's homes and performing cleaning services. Pretty self-explanatory. You get to make your own schedule, earn more money, and you can do everything from your cell phone. Now, you get to set the times and the places you want to work. You get to set your services and rates. So to get started, all you need to do is download the app, and then you're going to go through a little process where you get certified, and they say that this is going to take less than a day, and then you will be up and running and ready to clean homes and start earning some money. Now, they say that there are people that are earning $1,000 per week in their cleaning business. All right, I told you I would circle back to this one thing that they all have in common. Yes, most of these do require you to have a car, but unlike DoorDash or Uber or Lyft, where you will be running all over the city just to make $3 per trip, these are high-paying opportunities with a lot less competition, which means that there is more money out there for you. But of course, I understand that not everybody has a vehicle right now. And don't worry, I got you. If you're one of those people, I need you to drop in the comment section, no car. I will make a separate video breaking down some real work from home jobs that do not require you to leave your house. If any of the platforms that I told you about in this video are new to you and interest you, then go ahead and drop your favorite emoji in the comment section below. And let me know which one you're going to be signing up for. Don't be stingy. Go ahead and share this video with someone who you know can use any of these platforms to make money. Also, you can check out this video here.